Dan, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Description is combination. Got AFR heads on it. Got custom grind hydraulic roller. It has got the aluminum Shelby block and wanted it black. It's got Borla stack injection, and obviously it's got the GT40 front end. Got all the stuff coming out of the front of the motor. Hook it up good. Holley Terminator X, great system. It's got the Aviaid fan. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 501 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 549, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 566, so rated at 575. Front end's about 15, so everything's good. Get her off here in the crate. Come your way. Have a great day.